and the stories behind their legendary brands. German cars are renowned for their exceptional engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with time-tested durability. But which engines truly stand out as the best of the best? Today, we'll break down the top German engines that have not only defined performance but also set new benchmarks for reliability. From the power-packed inline-sixes to legendary V12s, we'll explore what makes these engines so special, how they stood the test of time, and why car enthusiasts swear by them. Let's dive into the most reliable German engines ever built. 1. BMW B58 3.0L inline-six. The BMW B58 is more than an engine, it's a benchmark for modern performance. Introduced in 2015, this 3.0L inline-six has redefined what reliability means in the performance engine market. With horsepower ranging from 335 to 382 depending on the model, and 369 pound-feet of torque, it delivers smooth acceleration and responsive power. Key features. 1. Single twin-scroll turbocharger for better responsiveness. 2. Aluminum and iron construction for reduced weight without compromising durability. 3. Minimal common issues. Owners report over 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Minor concerns. Some rare fuel system and electrical issues, but these are easily managed with regular servicing. 2. Mercedes-Benz M256 inline-six. Introduced in 2017, the M256 engine replaced the older M276. This 3.0L inline-six includes the revolutionary EQ Boost 48 volts mild hybrid system, enhancing both performance and efficiency. It replaced the aging M276 while introducing mild hybrid technology for better efficiency and performance. Key innovations. 1. EQ Boost System. A 48 volts mild hybrid that enhances fuel efficiency, eliminates turbo lag, and improves acceleration. 2. Luxury and power combined. Powers models like the Mercedes E-Class, S-Class, and CLS, blending smooth luxury with sports performance. 3. Long-term durability. Reports indicate high mileage reliability when properly maintained. Brand insight. Mercedes' engineering mantra is, "The best or nothing," reflected in the M256's seamless integration of performance and luxury features, proving that efficiency doesn't mean sacrificing power. 3. Volkswagen EA888 Gen 3B. Volkswagen, literally meaning, the people's car, has been delivering reliable, affordable, and fun-to-drive vehicles for decades. The EA888 Gen 3B engine is a prime example of VW's engineering excellence. What makes it great? 1. Turbocharged versatility. Produces 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, powering models like the VW Golf GTI and Audi A3. 2. Precision engineering. Features integrated exhaust manifolds, enhancing thermal management and reducing emissions. 3. Efficient and reliable. Known for low fuel consumption without compromising performance. Did you know? The EA888 engine family has powered millions of cars worldwide, with owners routinely reporting over 250,000 miles. With minimal issues, it's a testament to VW's philosophy of building engines for the masses without sacrificing engineering quality. 4. Porsche Flat Six. When it comes to sports cars, Porsche is a name that commands respect. The Flat Six engine is synonymous with the Porsche 911, having powered every generation of this iconic model. Key technical highlights. 1. Horizontally opposed design. This lowers the center of gravity, enhancing cornering stability and handling precision. 2. Water-cooled evolution. Modern iterations now use water cooling, improving thermal efficiency while maintaining legendary performance. 3. Racing pedigree. Derived from Porsche's racing heritage, ensuring track-ready durability. Fun fact: the Porsche 911's Flat 6 has powered countless race wins and endurance challenges, proving itself in some of the harshest racing conditions. Some Porsche owners report exceeding 200,000 miles without major overhauls. Proof that this engine isn't just fast, it's built to last. 5. BMW M57 Diesel. BMW isn't just about high-revving petrol engines. Their diesel technology is equally impressive. The M57 Diesel Inline 6, produced from 1998 to 2013, exemplifies this. Why it's exceptional. 1. Common rail injection. Ensures smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. 2. Turbocharged performance. Offers strong torque and reliable long-distance performance. 3. Proven longevity. Many examples exceed 400,000 miles, especially in high-mileage fleet vehicles. Brand insight. BM's commitment to driving pleasure extends to its diesel engines. The M57 is a favorite among long-distance drivers, offering power, efficiency, and longevity in one package. 6. Mercedes-Benz M113. The M113 V8 engine, used in Mercedes-Benz AMG models, is known for being nearly indestructible. Key specifications. 1. Up to 510 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. 2. Forged internals for superior durability. 3. Low complexity means easy maintenance and affordable repairs. Did you know? The M113 powered legendary models like the E55 AMG, earning a reputation as one of the most reliable high-performance engines ever built. Which German engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you're passionate about German engineering excellence. Subscribe now to learn more about engineering. See you in the next video.